Last night for Better Together, and what can I say? It brought me round with logic. So I've decided to join the Better Together cultural campaign to save the Union. And I've written this poem to try and show you the error of your ways. It's called Vote Britain. People of Scotland, vote with your heart. Vote with your love for the Queen who nurtured you, cradle to grave, who protects you and cares, her most darling subjects, to whom you gave the glens she adores to roam freely through, the stags her children dearly like to kill. First into battle, loyal and true. The enemy's scared of you. That's why we send you over the top with your och-aye-the-noo, Mactavish. There's been a murder. Jings, Crivvens, deep fried fucking Mars bar. Wee drama whiskey. Hootsmon, there's a moose loose about this smack addict. Vote, jock. Vote, sweaty sock. Talk properly. Vote with the notice we'll scrutinise in our shops. Might be legal tender but looks dodgy to me. Vote for the Highland clearances. Bah. Vote for nuclear submarines in your water. Vote for the Olympic Games you didn't vote for, but you'll pay for it. Yeah. You'll pay for it. Vote Conservative, vote Lib Dem, vote Libservative, vote Condaber, vote with a chip in your shoulder, vote Labour, New Labour, Old Labour, Scottish Labour, get back in line Scottish Labour, HQ in London will issue their commands to you shortly. In the meantime, just keep the vote flowing in from up there, thanks, goodbye. Subsidy junkies. Vote for any argument you construct in your defence being anti-English. Vote for Scots who make their career in Scotland being unambitious. Vote for enjoying your own culture being so parochial. Vote God Save the Queen and that verse about us crushing you all. Hush, there. Vote for Scotland being referred to as a region, like, say, Yorkshire or East Anglia. Yeah. Vote for our voices dominating your media, but in no way telling you what to think. Take a drink. Go on, son, take a drink. Vote for oil revenue, which we ensure flows directly from us into you. Vote for being told you're the only country in the world that could not possibly survive, and that without us you'd fall to pieces, like children abandoned in the wild, caked in faeces. Vote Daily Mail and Rupert Murdoch and illegal immigrants killed Princess Diana in London. Most exciting city in the world, darling. Glasgow is a very violent place, is it not? Do you have art? Vote with your heart. Vote empire, vote tradition, vote for our proud shared history of enslaving other nations, stealing their natural resources, bringing wealth and prosperity to the world, and being on the right side just once, and that's because it was against your actual fucking Hitler. Vote for the hashtag Scottish Conspiracy at Westminster. Who really runs the show here, eh? Blair, Brown, you got your own in that time. We are not allowed to vote in Holyrood, but there's wee Archie McPhee pulling strings in our parliament, and we wouldn't even think in interfering in how you run your own affairs. But while we're at it, this referendum, so-called referendum is it? Have it now. Make sure it looks like this. Vote for very rich people patronising you. Vote for Glasgow having the highest knife crime rate and lowest life expectancy in Europe due to our generosity. You may thank us at your leisure. Vote for the absence of your history in our schools, all Brits together. Vote for us saying when you open up your porridge mouth. Vote for our shock at your ingratitude. Vote for bafflement about why you want the England football team to lose. We only want the Scots to win, except in referenda. Vote for psychopathic villains with your accent in a soap opera. Vote for tuition fees and student loans, ensuring that the brightest of your working class, since you still insist upon the term, although our leaders had it banned, will one day rise and take their place in this great land. Vote for us deploying strategic references to Braveheart to dismiss you all. Vote for Robert Burns being called by Paxman sentimental doggerel. Vote for the Iron Lady. Such a strong leader. Gave this country backbone. You didn't really want those unions, industries and council homes. Just made the place look tatty. Vote for a deregulated banking class, lionising of the hard-working, wealth-generating, job-creating entrepreneurs who you will in no way refer to as greedy, selfish bastards. Give them your taxes. Vote for foreign war. Yes, sadly, some of you will die. But you will return to a hero's welcome, Jock, the Union Jack, proud symbol of integrity and honour, draped across your coffin, while your mother, dabbing at her eyes, recalls the words she learned in school in Kirkcudbright. There is some corner of a foreign field that will be forever England. Vote with your heart.
Alan Bissett, ladies and gentlemen, what a